me all. Tell me how you love, baby. Can't spell us without trust. Put the lust aside of some things we gotta discuss. So close your legs for a bit, baby, let's open up. Closed mouths don't get fed, finish your lunch. Panties in a bunch. Tell me where you been at these last couple months. You say you want me back, so baby don't front. Cause I can never know too much, but just enough so the next nigga never feel he got the one up. But we ain't gotta rush, take your time. We can talk until the sun up. I see you trying to say what's on your mind. I promise to be fine. I can see the signs, be honest, I ain't blind. The truth is we all got our own desires, our own dreams. It's a big world, gotta try new things. So right here, right now, what you gotta say? You ain't gotta lie now, it's the bet we made.
Fucking park that bitch, let's go.
Show me how, baby. Right here, right now. Right here, right now, right now, baby. Yeah. Tell me all. Tell me how you love, baby. Cause transparency my love language. Can't see the bigger picture if you're vision tainted. Love is like glass, either break it or you stain it. These late night conversations turn into arraignments. Just tell me the truth, cause I ain't trying to judge, baby, I just want you to be you. Cause I'ma be me, keep it G like real niggas do. Cause you knew a nigga way before he got famous. On the block, nameless, and I'm proud to say the money never changes. We've been through many phases like mazes, still we found a way. I never knew a love that wasn't painless. Pouring out my heart was always draining. I gotta say, now every day is indigo raining, yet it's a brighter day.
Even better. A little fucking kickstart.
Yeah. For that push point, okay.
Damn, dude. It looks so hot.
That's right. Don't spill it. Alright.
blessing. Just as long as I can share it all with you. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, come rain, come shine. Going back the beginning in between till the end of time. All that shine. Turns to blue.
Well, Haley, we talk about the great competitors here, but one competitor on the track. Well, the moto wins are great, but they are chasing points. They can. And don't worry, if we don't get one, the merchandise stands are open all night from extra small. So we're going to have some fun tonight. Louder. I want to hear top of their voice. 3 rounds, 1 crown, no second chances.
Oh, we start from the top? She can.
My timepiece shine different dimensions. Voice of God calling me from various extensions. High tension, fucking with my attention. Did I mention peace and anxiety, my contention? Fucking henchman, come now, peep the poetics. Interstellar travel through the third, I don't regret it. Feel like he been locked inside a cage even though he been vetted. Thoughts of depression while he on Reddit, come now get it. Your mind's a dark room, focused on the negative. Just let your life develop, boy, don't get ahead of it. Young and on the rise, had no one to advise. Terrified of demise in a world that lies. Underground, he was born, always dreamed of the skies. Deep down, he was torn till he realized that none of it really matters anyway. Any day you could turn your tables like Premiere and renovate. Yes, he a genius, but he do not give a fuck to annotate. He got that Abagnale mentality, but don't manipulate. He driven with no interstate, it ain't no need to innovate. And are we on the subject? Don't need to reflect, but still do. Living in the depths of fear inside of you will kill you. That's the real you, and leave your dreams in the rear view. He got that clear view, and honestly, I really think he trying to get it. He like Joker and Haley, and one asylum, yeah, that's too committed. And yes, I'm focused like a first AC. I pass the bills to my bitch like AOC, frontin' a life shit, but hell no, you ain't sipping for free. I keep it low key, like above the space bar. See, young and on the rise, had no one to advise. Terrified of demise in a world that lies. Underground, I was born, I was dreaming of the skies. Deep down, he was torn till he realized. Focus on the love that you're surrounded by. I wonder why this world is always trying to drown the God. And why this rising all around me, wonder can it drown the sky? Thinking every day I feel like Thanos, infinite ammo. Done more tours than camo. Me and my famo, sipping scotch, getting blammo. Pour another handle. My family history with addiction, don't hold a candle. My diction will dismantle any television with infinite channels. Hate the English, word the Chuck, now let me sing this. So let me to bring this into the forefront so low. Never thought this shit would go from the basement to around the globe. Circumnavigation, you know we constantly in rotation. Shotgun and blunts like shoguns coming for cuts. Assassin, 7 samurai steadily slashing. Now imagine rhyming without a passion. Whiplashing due to envy and never compassion. It's like snake eater without a ration. Forget about the art, let's check yourself before you cash in. Remember them lashings, they never lash out. Internally exhausted and passed out. Focus on the path, don't ruminate on the past route. Stand on your business, hold up, stand on your business. Man, fuck a wish list, can't live your life like it's on layaway. Living like it's only a day away, it's only now.